Welcome back to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. This is part 2. In this video, we'll walk you through a simple guide to inspecting your brake fluid. Ready to learn how to check and understand your brake fluid's color? Let's dive in. Inspection and maintenance procedures. Regular inspection and maintenance of your brake fluid are crucial in ensuring your vehicle's braking system functions optimally. By following simple visual inspection processes and knowing when to seek professional help, you can stay ahead of potential brake fluid issues. Visual inspection process. Locate the brake fluid reservoir. Begin by locating the brake fluid reservoir under the hood of your car. It is typically located near the back of the engine compartment. Check the fluid level. Using a flashlight if needed, check the brake fluid level. The reservoir should have markings indicating the minimum and maximum levels. Ensure the fluid level is between these markers. Inspect the color. Brake fluid is typically clear or slightly yellow when new. If you notice the fluid is black or dark brown, it indicates contamination and the need for a possible fluid replacement. Check for sediments. Gently swirl the reservoir to check for any sediments or particles in the brake fluid. The presence of debris can signal a need for immediate attention from a professional mechanic. When to seek professional help. Spongy brake pedal. If you notice that your brake pedal feels spongy or soft when pressed, it could indicate air bubbles or moisture in the brake fluid, requiring a mechanic's expertise to diagnose and rectify the issue. Burning smell. A burning smell while driving or braking can be a sign of overheating brake fluid. This could lead to brake failure and should be addressed promptly by a professional to avoid potential safety risks. Brake warning light. If your vehicle's dashboard brake warning light illuminates, it is advisable to seek professional help immediately. This could indicate a range of brake system issues, including low brake fluid levels or brake pad wear. By staying vigilant with your brake fluid inspection and knowing when to involve a professional mechanic, you can ensure your vehicle's braking system remains in top condition, enhancing both safety and performance on the road. Preventive measures and tips. Regular brake fluid checks are crucial in maintaining the safety and performance of your vehicle. By routinely inspecting the brake fluid, you can detect early signs of contamination or deterioration, preventing potential brake system failures that could compromise your safety on the road. Regular fluid checks. Performing regular brake fluid checks is a simple yet effective way to ensure your brakes are functioning optimally. Checking the brake fluid level and quality should be a part of your regular vehicle maintenance routine. A decrease in the brake fluid level or the presence of dark or murky fluid may indicate a problem that requires attention. By catching these issues early, you can avoid more severe brake problems down the line. Fluid replacement. Brake fluid replacement is an essential maintenance task that should not be overlooked. Over time, brake fluid can absorb moisture and become contaminated, reducing its effectiveness and potentially causing brake system malfunctions. It is recommended to replace brake fluid every 30,000 miles or as advised in your vehicle's owner's manual. Regular fluid replacement helps maintain optimal brake performance and ensures the safety of your vehicle. By staying proactive with regular fluid checks and timely replacements, you can prolong the lifespan of your brake system and reduce the risk of costly repairs. Remember, the safety of you and your passengers depends on the proper maintenance of your vehicle's braking system. After inspecting the brake fluid and noting its color, it is crucial to understand the implications this can have on your vehicle's safety and performance. Ensuring that your brake fluid is clear and free from contamination is essential for the proper functioning of your braking system. If you notice that your brake fluid has turned black or brown, it may indicate the presence of dirt, debris, or even internal component wear within the braking system. Take action promptly. Taking prompt action when you observe black or brown brake fluid is vital to prevent potential brake failure and ensure your safety on the road. Ignoring the issue can lead to decreased braking efficiency, longer stopping distances, and ultimately compromise the overall performance of your vehicle. To address this concern, it is recommended to seek professional assistance to flush and replace the contaminated brake fluid. Maintain regular inspections. Regularly inspecting your brake fluid and addressing any discoloration promptly is a proactive approach to maintaining the health of your vehicle's braking system. By staying vigilant and addressing issues early on, you can prevent costly repairs and ensure that your brakes operate at peak performance when you need them most. Remember, safety should always be a top priority when it comes to vehicle maintenance. Stay safe on the road. Keeping an eye on the condition of your brake fluid is a simple yet crucial aspect of vehicle maintenance that should not be overlooked. By understanding the significance of black or brown brake fluid and taking proactive measures to address any concerns, you can enjoy peace of mind knowing that your vehicle is safe and reliable for all your journeys. Remember, Regular inspections and timely maintenance can go a long way in ensuring a smooth and safe driving experience. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.